Might be great rock or great holes.
What is?
I don't know. We're about to find out.
I don't know if it'll be great holds. He said that this was mediocre climbing.
Oh, is this a hard start leads to mediocre climbing?
Yeah.
Maybe. We don't know where we are.
Yeah, I don't know.
YouTube, this is a route at the Purple Valley.
Yeah.
So we're trying.
There's some chalk.
To the left of the push trail. That's the one for hard starters to do ordinary climbing.
I mean, if we bushwhacked on top of the approach trail, like,
I know, right?
can go play a lottery.
Even if I do a bad job, they gotta give me that other 2 mil. Cool.
Yeah, there are holds here. Oh, come on. Awkward. Whoop.
Is that bolt the next bolt?
Yeah.
Is it just big holes in between?
They're adequate. I'm not going to complain about it. Move this spider out of the way. Got this. Just want to move thoughtfully through here. Don't bite me, spider. I don't need that right now.
Spiders are there to help.
Oh. Yeah, he jumped off me, or jumped at me. Yeah. I'm a little worried that my dingus is down by the spider now. Oh, cool. Kinda. That was exciting. And then just eating the chalk. I think I want this instead. That's exciting. I think I got one more. Some business.